Hello friend, a thread is a single sequential flow of execution of tasks of a process, so it is known as thread of execution or thread of control. There is a way of thread execution inside the process of any operating system. Apart from this, there can be more than one thread inside a process. Each thread of the same process makes use of a separate program counter and a stack of activation record and control blocks. Thread is often referred to as a lightweight process. This is the thread diagram. You can write your note. Thread structure. This is all about thread. MS Word uses many threads, formatting text from one thread, processing input from another thread. Need of thread. It takes far less time to create a new thread in an executing process than to create a new process. Thread can share the common data. They do not need to user inter-process communication. Context switching is faster. It takes less time to terminate a thread than a process. Types of threads. In the operating system, there are two types of thread. One is user thread, another is kernel thread. Let's scroll the screen. Then start with user level thread. The operating system does not recognize the user level thread. User thread can be easily implemented and it is implemented by the user if a user performs a user level thread blocking operation, the whole process is blocked. The kernel level thread does not know nothing about the user level thread. The kernel level thread manages user level thread as if they are single thread processes. Example Java thread, POSIX threads, etc. Advantages of user level thread. A user thread can be easily implemented than the kernel thread. User level thread can be applied to such type of operating system that do not support threads at the kernel level. It is faster and efficient. Context switching time is shorter than the kernel level thread. It does not require modification of the operating system. Context switching time is shorter than the kernel level thread. It does not require modification of the operating system. User level thread representation is very simple. The register, PC, stack and mini thread control blocks are stored in the address. Then disadvantages of user level thread. Here we can see the disadvantages. User level thread lack coordination between the thread and the kernel. If the thread causes a page fault, the entire process is blocked. This is the diagram of user level thread. Here we can see the user level thread, system call, thread block, processes or process block. Kernel level thread. The kernel level thread recognizes the operating system. There is a thread control block and process control block in the system for each thread and process in the kernel level thread. The kernel level thread is implemented by the operating system. The kernel shows about all the threads and manages them. The kernel level thread offers a system call to create and manage the threads from user space. Example of kernel level thread is Windows Solaris. Then we can see about the advantages of kernel level thread. Let's scroll the screen. This is the overall diagram of user level thread and kernel level thread in processes, how it is implemented. The kernel level thread is fully aware of all threads. The scheduler may decide to spend more CPU time in the process of threads being large numerical. The kernel level thread is good for those applications that block the frequency. Disadvantages क्या है? The kernel thread manage and schedule all threads. The implementation of kernel level thread is difficult than the user thread. This is the overall disadvantages of kernel level threads. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel to regular videos. Watch the regular videos. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribe.